Hey there, here we have an object with these two values defined and names and age. And of course, we don't have any type assigned to the object, but if we hover over this variable, we will be able to see that Typescript infers the type and assigns to it. Let's say that we want to create a new user object. So I put cons user2 is an object. And if I try to get auto completion here, we'll see that we're not getting the name and age here because this user2 object has nothing to do with this one defined here before. And we don't have any type assigned to it, so we're not getting auto completion. Let's say that we want to get the type of this user in a separate type so we can reuse it in the future. So for that, I can do type user is type of user object. And now if I hover over this user type, we will be able to see that it has the name and age inferred in the user object here. And if I put the user type defined here, and if I try to get auto completion, we will see we're getting now the name and age. So let's say if I put age would be 28 and named would be Andres. And if I print to the console here, this user2, this new user2 object from the code, we will see now here that we have a second object with the properties name and age.